Now let's talk about the buttons and what they mean. Buoyancy is for allowing the object to be lifted by the atmospheric force. This works the same as releasing a ping pong ball from the bottom of a swimming pool or a helium balloon rising into the air. The allow or disable collision with objects is for choosing whether an object with physical properties will interact with other objects. Disabling this option will allow physical objects to pass through other objects. Here's how types of adhesive properties works. By default, objects using adhesive properties will lose their ability to stick to another object if separated from the first object it sticks to. If this option is turned on, an object with adhesive properties will keep sticking to other objects no matter how many times it's separated from them. The charge conductor insulator option works in conjunction with the charge setting. This option is similar to what happens when a magnet is passed over a pile of paper clips. What this does is make an individual object with a charge value either a magnet or repellent to all other objects that have a positive or negative charge value assigned to them. Again, opposites attract and same sign values repel each other. The per primitive sim button is easily one of my favorite settings. What this does is spread a physical attribute to all objects within a group with a single button. When a physical attribute is added to a group of objects, it acts as one object during the simulation. At this point, I'm going to make the objects transparent to make it easier to understand how the per primitive sim option works. When the per primitive sim is activated, the attribute is spread to all objects within the group. The reason the delete animation box pops up is to let you know that trueSpace needs to delete any animation associated with the group before spreading an attribute to each individual object contained within the group. When the simulation is started again, all objects within the group act as individual objects. And that covers all the features of the Material Physical Attributes Properties dialog box.